Sylvie Pon,
From where?
chargée d'affaires of Cameroon. I just arrived, so I came to establish the embassy. So I'm very happy, I'm honored to be here. I thank also Mrs. Dr. Ashma for inviting me, and the dignitaries also for all the well organization. Yeah, the honorable speaker, thank you so much for inviting us to share this wonderful program.
It's our pleasure.
You know, Cameroon and India are sharing so many things. We have similarities. Then I'm here to listen the excellent cooperation between my country and India. Then, you know, it should be more and more. We have to go hand by hand, because together we will go fast. We will go forward. So thank you so much for inviting us, and thank you also for accepting us. Thank you. We have to share so many things, even in education. I already speak to the culture, you know, these wonderful events. When I saw the show is like in Africa also. It's like in my country. That's the same. We are sharing all. So let's go together. Thank you so much.
Juan Angulo, I am the ambassador of Chile to India. And of course, we share with my colleague, I just said, we are very happy to participate and be invited by our invitation of Honorable Speaker to see and experience what the Bodo cultural life is. We visited just the exhibition, and we saw some books in Bodo language, which is totally unknown for us, and it's very good. We felicitate this preservation of traditions, which is very important in our days. So I'm happy, and also try to connect on this literature festival, because Chile is a country full of poets and writers, and I hope you will one day also know something about my country. Pablo Neruda is one of our best well-known writers, so happy to be here, and thank you again once again.
Thank you.
I'm the Chargé d'Affaires of Chad. I'm really excited to be part of this festival, to see the diversity of India, especially of Bodo culture, led by Honorable Speaker of Indian Assam Parliament, and also the invitation we had from Dr. Asham. Really, we feel that like in Africa, because especially in my country we have around 280 tribes. So every tribe has its different culture, and I saw it here. So whatever you go in the part of India, you see that the diversity, how people culture and how people facilitate, and we really more explore our gratitude to the Assami people for the hospitality and also the World Organization. So we wish you all the success, and wish to see the Bodo Festival continuously work and gather all the Bodo's culture and improve it. And also during this gathering festival, we had an exchange with some scholars and also organizations, including the government of Assam, to see how we can improve our cooperation in terms of education, higher education, universities, and also cultural issues, including investment in our two countries. So India and Chad, we have a good collaboration, and there's two embassies opening the both sides, so we need to see in the upcoming years things will be improved more. And I want to announce you that we have some Chad and resident in Assam, so we'll have more in the future. Thank you so much, Guy.
Nice to have me here. I am Tabang Khodumo from Lesotho. Lesotho is in Southern Africa. We are an enclave of South Africa. I am the Chargé d'Affaires of the Kingdom of Lesotho here because my High Commissioner is on vacation. So I am happy to have been part of this celebration, and I want to commend the organizers of this event, because I am one person who believes that culture is the lifeblood of a nation. It is the heart and the soul of a vibrant community. So if you keep on like this, you will take India far. And I congratulate you for having organized such a big event tonight. Thank you very much.